Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Myself Raz. Today in this video I will show you how to copy table schema in SQL Server. Okay, now if you have an existing table and you want to copy only the table schema and you want to create a new table just like that, or you want to duplicate a table, then the best way to do that is to copy the table schema. And if you have a requirement without any data, right? So you want to copy that particular table, exact the same structure, but you don't want the data. Okay, and you want to create a new table. In that case, this is the best way to do that. So what you can do in that case is you can just copy that table schema instead of the data with the schema. You just copy only the table schema with no data, right? So what I'll do, I'll in this video tutorial, I'll discuss two simple approaches to copy the table schema in SQL Server. Now, without making any delay, what I'll do, let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio. There, I will show you how to do this. Okay. Now, let me go there. So you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio, and here I have a database called test. I'll expand this. You can able to see there are different tables here, right? So you can able to see all these tables here, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just execute a select statement. So now you can able to see I have this product table, right? So if I will execute this select star from product, you can able to see I have a table name product and which has one data, right? One record, but basically. So what I want create a table name as clone product, okay, and that should be same as like product but without this data, right? Other things will be same, right? The column name, everything will be same. Data type, column name, and everything constraints, everything will be same without this record, right? So in that case, what I need to do, I need to copy that schema only for that product table, right? So for that, what I can write here, I can write a select query. This is the first approach that we can utilize. You can use the select into a statement, right? So what I need to write, I need to write select top 0 and then start into the new table. New table will be clone product, right? Clone product. And then we need to type from the old table. Old table is product, right? So old table product. Then we need to add the where condition where 1 equal to 0. Ensure to add this where condition. So not to copy any data, only to copy the schema of the table. I will execute this particular statement and you can able to see 0 rows affected. That means only the structure is copied, not the record, right? So if I'll go here and probably I can rename it here. Let me just cross check that if it is done correctly. So what I can do, I can just say select star from clone product, right? When execute, you can able to see the table is created exactly with the same columns and data type, everything with the same table structure, but there is no data, right? So this is the first approach to copy the schema of a table in SQL Server. So now the second approach is you can also use this SQL Server Management Studio design approach to copy the schema of a table. Okay. Now what you can do, you can suppose we want to this time we want to use the order table, say, and we want to create a new table called new order probably, and that should contain only the structure of the or the schema of this order table. That means the column and data type, everything, right? So if I'll go here and I will show you, it has this order name, order type, order ID, product ID, and total amount. So these are the columns this order table has. So what you need to do, you can right click on the table and then you can go here, keep table as, then then create to and the new query editor window. The moment you will do that, it will generate a query for you to create the table, right? So in the you need to just modify the name, nothing you have to change, just name you have to modify. I will say new order and then probably you can execute this. Okay, so there is already an object name new order, so we can give a new name for this. I will say latest probably. Latest order. Okay. Now, if I'll go here, execute it, you can able to see the command completed successfully. And if I will go here and just to cross check, I will go here and I will say select star from latest order, right? So this is the table that we have created. You can able to see it is created exactly same as the order, right? So same column, same data type, everything. That means the schema is copied successfully without the data. These are the two simple approaches you can utilize to copy the schema of a table in SQL Server. So for today, I thought to quickly show you how to copy the schema of a table or table schema in SQL Server. And these are the two simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe the channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.